Then probably up about 30s from the lows yesterday. We can bring up the lows yesterday in S&P. Today, I think the market goes lower. And the reason I say that, we have the Friday, Monday effect. And if we're down on Friday, down on Monday, on average, the market goes down 7%. So I think rallies might be sold just for about a month or two. And then I agree with Tom Lee, who was on CNBC, who said end of the year rally. But I think we could get down to 4,000 in the futures. We need to shake out some weak hands first. So here we go. Futures up 12. Express higher, Love higher, Hun higher, Jumanji, WBA lower, SpaceX. We Bezos going to space today. I'm going to update the portfolio here in a second. Vodafone actually down a whopping TNCs. Vodafone calls, those are September calls, are 28.29. AMC up 70 cents. Roblox higher. MUD's higher. FLR higher. Everything's up a whopping about 2 to 10 cents. So we see everything up about 2 to 10 cents today. Nothing really crazy. ACB I'm trying to get out of. I have MMAT. That one's lower. Solo, I try to get out of that one. Let's get out of that one at 370. Love, I would have taken off everything in Love. Premium levels. LUV, I'd be taking everything off. I don't even have a bid in WBA right now. I was actually thinking about selling those all for 4 cents. I was thinking about selling them all for 4 cents. It's not going to have to rally $3 in the next couple of days. VRTX trading here. Tiva trading here. Market looking weak. Netflix moving a little bit. I do have a Coca-Cola call spread on. Jumanji, the trade is over. Express is lower. BP AUG 22.5. Not looking to buy any August premium, guys. No AUG premium. No. Go away from me. None. Nada. Nunca. Zero. Not looking for any August premium. Futures only have 4. Planeteer AUG 30s trading here. I mean, I'd take August premium if we Love up 20 cents. Love next week calls. I would be out of these up to 77 cents. They flagged Option Hacker at 48. So LUV next week 51s. You got it at, you could have got it at 48. Canoe is actually higher today. Market is wide in Canoe. I can sell some Canoe calls for 50. I got in at 35 yesterday. Oh, I already have those offered out. So CANO. Futures only up 2.5. Most likely won't get any 5-minute bar longs. We had one signal yesterday. Vodafone. Futures only up 3 points. Amazon down. I was trying to sell some ACB stock. I was trying to sell some Solo stock. Not filled in either of those. I want to sell some of this at 370. Futures only up 3 points. GOTU. BKD, I'd sell my stock at 820. Futures up 475. IBM popped yesterday. Walgreens Boot Alliance unchanged. Skilla is SKLZ. Ooh, 22.5s in August. SKLZ 22.5s in August. I did update the portfolio yesterday. Vodafone, we haven't done anything. We got in at 25. They're worth probably 26, 27. I don't know. 26 right now. 73,000 open interest, guys. 73,000 of open interest. Walgreens Boot Alliance, I would not add. I'd actually rather sell them for 4 cents than buy them for 4 cents. But nothing to do right now. ATR is $3. AMD calls being sold. Facebook lower. Jumanji lower. I would not be taking anything in Jumanji. HUN, I wouldn't take anything. LUV, I wouldn't take anything. Sitting on our hands. That's what I call it. FLR. I'd buy October calls for a nickel. I would not pay 10. Ooh, they're 15, 20. I'd rather sell them for 15 than buy them for 15. Let's go FLR, quarters. I'd go nickel bid for 50. At WBA, I would not be adding. WBA, I'd rather take off than add. Those are 4, 5. Walgreens, the Boot Alliance. ATR is $1.14. Theory could rally about $1.14 today. Maybe short-term low is on. That's a Peloton rally in here. Peloton up 6. I do have a structured note in that one. 5-minute bar closes here in about 20 seconds. We'll review all the 5-minute bars. I just saw one Jets put yesterday. And I'm up $8 in the Jets. Oh, overall P&L, I'm up 50 cents. Benny and the Jets. How's my good friend EDU doing? I actually bought some EDU. I bought some of these yesterday for 20. EDU popping. I'm going to offer them at 30. I've been kind of playing, scalping 11s. Futures now up 11. Wouldn't be surprised in the market rise. Wouldn't be surprised in a sell-off. I'm kind of, I guess, agnostic to where I think the market is going. I would keep an eye on the VIX. That will be your telltale sign of where the market might go today. 5-minute bar just closed. No signals on anything here. We have some VIH trading here. So on the 5-minute bar, Apple, no signal. Apple is under the clouds. So this is a bull 5-minute bar. So we're looking for a bull 5-minute bar above the cloud. I actually had a dream that Tesla's down $100. Apple, nothing to do. Apple, bear bar here. Amazon, bear bar. So first 5-minute bar, we see some selling pressure in the FANG name. So Amazon, nothing. Apple, nothing. Google, no signal. Okay, so we're not seeing any signals on the 5. Facebook, no signal. Facebook down on the day. Tesla, no signal. Baba, no signal. And we have Netflix, and we have no signal. So no 5-minute bar longs. So no 5-minute bar longs, guys. No 5-minute bar longs. No 5-minute bar longs. CDEV, I wouldn't have taken that trade. If you took it, I would I would have done covered calls on that one. So no 5-minute bar longs here. No 5-minute bar longs. Nothing on any of the scanners. If WBA is like 6 cents, I might sell them all. 4 cents, 5 cents. Canoe, taking a profit target here in Canoe. Give me 5 cents for WBA. I'll sell them all. I'll take my $1,300 loser. I only traded 200,000 shares. CA&O, I'm selling some calls. I just sold a 1 lot. Gonna buy that 1 lot back for 30. CA&O, I got Canoe OC15s yesterday for 35 cents. I got a 27 lot of those. Coca-Cola up on the day. I do bull call spreads in Coca-Cola. Vodafone now 6 cents. Hunt up a couple pennies. CX up a couple pennies. Everything just silence. Radio silence. Radio killed the video star. NVIDIA went for 6-for-1 split. That means NVIDIA is going to go straight up, right? XOP puts being bought here. Small. No 5-minute bars. No signals at any scanner here. We are just chilling. Chilling like a villain. P&L's down $300. I just want to sell WBA for a nickel. Come on, give me 5 cents so I can sell these all. Short-term premium has not been working. I'd be very close to careful of anything in August. Valley, DC18 puts, nothing. Express down. Baba down. Amazon down 15. Amazon tested to where I thought I had to test. The question is, does it get a rally from here? McDonald's weekly 227.5 calls. These are in the money calls here. Nothing to do in these. In about 20 minutes, we're going to bring in the signals from yesterday to see if there's anything of interest. I don't think there is, though. We had a great signal yesterday in Jumanji. That was a day trade. Futures up 775. ITIB. Give me one more penny in Walgreens. I'm going to sell these out at 5. Mara, next week, puts being bought. Mara, next week, puts being bought. Mara, next week, puts. Are we going to have a rip your face off rally? I don't think so. Yeah, Love worked out really well after yesterday. Talked about that one yesterday. Oh, Love, look at it go. So it looks like they're buying the airlines today. Love next week, 51s up to 85 cents, guys. Love next week, 51s up to 85 cents here in Love. Love calls, working out. Gilead, Aug 68 in the money calls here in Gilead. Futures up 10.75. Love on fire. Gave you guys that one yesterday. There's always an opportunity to trade something. CGC, I wouldn't take anything. I'm still in ACB calls. I'm in stock. CGC, you know, when the market goes down as much as it is, it's going to affect everything. The market goes down as much as it does, it's going to affect everything. SBGI getting destroyed. I'd buy SBGI calls for a nickel. AUG 35s. Let's see if I can get any of these for 5 cents. Oh, they're 15 bid? Really? All right, I'll go 10-cent bid for 10. 30. SBGI AUG 35s, I'm going to go dime bid. SBGI AUG 35s, I'm going to go dime bid here. SBGI AUG 35s, I'm going to go 10-cent bid. Nothing actionable so far, guys. I would not take anything in Jumanji. That trade is over. Take your money and run. Vodafone is still on. FLR unchanged. Mud's up a couple pennies. 5-minute bars, no signals today. Choirs, scanners have been quiet. Maybe everybody is watching Bezos go into space. Amazon down 15. Amazon accurate test where I thought. No 5-minute bar on Amazon. CX up a couple pennies. We saw those calls being bought on Friday. Those Oct, were they Oct 9s? Oct 9s, you can get them at 25. No interest in those. Not necessarily being bearish, just being a little cautious. Pfizer 41.5 trading here. XLF, I don't randomly just take signals. I wait for institutional order flow to say, hey, AK, it's about that time. AK, it's about that time to buy these calls or buy these puts. So I'm looking for puts today for the first time in a while. VIX down 47 cents. Futures up 14. Canoe down in the day. Canoe 40.50. If those get 30 cents, I'm going to call it a signal at 30. Mud's up 7 cents. CX up a little bit. Look at all this action. You know, yeah, I care what the futures. Yeah, I care what oil does. Yeah, I care what VIX does. But look at right here. These are all the things we've kind of been looking at. There's really nothing there. There's literally nothing there. Ooh, VXRT 8.5s, guys. VXRT 8.5s. Those just hit. And those are working out here, guys. And VXRT. Day trade in VXRT, guys. This one's working out well. Buy VXRT 723, 21.5, 8.5 calls for 36 cents. Targets 45 and 54. VXRT. Our first day trade today. VXRT weekly 8.5s. They hit our scanner at 36. You cannot get into 36 right now. They already moved. If you want to get in closer to that price point, you need to buy the day trade scanner. But VXRT, we do have a signal here at 36 cents. Profit target 1 about to get hit in VXRT, guys. VXRT 8.5s. Futures up 16 and a hook. VXRT 8.5s, guys. Target 1 just hit here, guys, in VXRT. VXRT, target 1 hit for 25% profit, guys. VXRT, target 1 hit for 25% profit. Day trade in Pfizer. Weekly 42s. Those are hitting at 26 cents. Those are already up. Day trade by Pfizer this week. 42 calls for 26. That's where they hit the tape. Targets 32 and 39. Pfizer day trade. Day trade in Pfizer, guys. Day trade in Pfizer. Day trade in Pfizer, guys. These are the Pfizer 42s. Pfizer 42s. So VXRT, target number 1 hit. And Pfizer, calls being bought in the 42s. 42s being bought in Pfizer, guys. VXRT ripping to the upside. Here we go. Boom shakalaka. Those are up to 45.50. Now we have CVS. CVS actually correlated to very similar to Walgreens. I'm going to take these CVS. These are the CVS 83s. CVS 83s. Buy CVS this week. 83 calls for 39. I got into it 39, guys. Targets 48 and 57. Another day trade. CVS 83s. CVS 83s, our third day trade of the day. I got in at 39. They're actually down to 37, so you can get in cheaper. Now they're 38. CVS is my favorite day trade of the day, guys. CVS, my favorite day trade of the day. CVS 83s, you could have got as cheap as 37 cents. CVS, Charlie, Victor, Sam, 83s and CVS. I got in at 39 cents. Futures up 20. Roar! You cannot keep a good market down. I was going to sell all my WBA. This week, 47's trading 22 cents. Oh, I want to buy those at 22. Walgreens Boot Alliance. This week, 47's trading here. CVS trading. Pfizer trading. Look at VXTR, guys. Wow. I'm in WBA on average around 9 cents. I bought some at 12 and I added at 8. I actually did not add at 4. CVS, guys. Calls in CVS are up to 41.42. CVS working out well. We gave you the signal. CVS, big ATR. Ooh, it's already almost moved to $1.50 a day. It was moved almost $1.50 a day. Walgreens Boot Alliance could get up to 46.60. And I like the 47s here in CVS at in Walgreens Boot Alliance at 20. They hit at 22. 2,000. They said volume is less than open interest, I guess. So maybe that's one reason not to like it so much. If I can get out of Walgreens Boot Alliance around 7 cents, I'm going to be looking to take them off around 7. Take my loser, move to the sidelines. CVS, Pfizer moving up here. If you can't get in those prices, the best thing you can do is buy the day trade scanner, guys. It's available at optionacre.com. This is the exact price they trade on the trading floor. Okay, CVS hit at 38. You can see I got in at 39. So I got in, filled orders. I got in at 39. Come on, Walgreens. You got it at 37. Yeah, they actually went down in value right after AK bought them. Walgreens calls, 5.7. VXTR winner, Pfizer winner. Pfizer up to 32. Target 1 just hitting Pfizer, guys. So target 1 hitting Pfizer. CVS, we got it at 36. Nice trading. Come on, WBA. Get a little bit of a bid so I can sell my calls out. Futures up 24. Wish set 15s. No, thank you. MMAT's down again. What's Norlock? Futures up 25.5. That's crazy. VIX is now down. VIX is now down. CVS bid. CVS calls 44.45. First target's 48 on those guys. Futures bid up 27.5. Amazon not participating here. So we see participation from the Jets, from LUV. We had a signal in that one yesterday. AMC higher, GameStop higher. Coca-Cola bid. I did a call spread in Coca-Cola yesterday. Weekly 56, 57s. Do they have earnings or do they have earnings? That's a good Coke. Before open tomorrow. Okay, so I'm long that one. VLDR, SEP 12.5s. 2,000 trade here. Volume less than open interest in VLDR, guys. VLDR volume less than open interest. VLDR volume less than open interest. VLDR volume less than open interest. Oh. CVS, target one hit at 48, guys. Wow. Target one hit, guys, in CVS. CVS. All the day trades working today. Everybody wants to watch Bezos in space. I don't. I want to trade. I want to ride. CVS, guys, target one hit. Gilead calls being bought. 71s. 20 cents. More day trades, guys. Small order here, guys. I'm going to buy 2 of these just to see if they make money. Gilead, guys, in at 20. Gilead in at 20. These are the 71s. Targets 25 and 30. Gilead, day trade. GILD, this week 71s at 25 cents. GILD, this week 71s. Ooh, Walgreens, Buddha Lines. I sold all my Walgreens calls for 7, guys. For right or wrong, wrong or right, I'm out of Walgreens at 7 cents, guys. Exit to close and filled. I sold all Walgreens calls for 7 cents. Out of WBA, guys. So WBA, I'm out at 7. Oh, $500. Great trading, Todd. So Walgreens, I'm out at 7. Moving to the sidelines here, Walgreens. I'm taking advantage of the rally today, guys. Out at 7 cents. Day trade. Buy GILD this week. 71 calls for 19. Targets 25 and 30. So Gilead calls. Vodafone, we're still in. Out F Walgreens. So Walgreens, I was in at an average at 9 cents. I'm out at 7. So I did lose about $200 on that trade. So Walgreens, I'm out at 7, guys. Big 47 calls being bought. Gave you those at 22. Those are up to 32. Damn, look at that go, guys. The Walgreens Buddha Alliance. CVS, target one hit. MMAT, you suck. So Walgreens about futures just bid. LUV, we gave you that signal yesterday, up 78 cents. LUV calls up to 85 cents. Walgreens, I'm out at 7. 7.8. I was going to try to sell them this morning for 4. And I got that pop today. Netflix down 9. I think the market sells off from here, guys. I'm a little bit more bearish than I am bullish. VXRT, both targets hit. That trade is over. Gilead, I'm still in. Out of Walgreens. Jumanji, that trade is over. That hit your profit targets. You should not be in that trade. Hit your profit targets. You move on to the sidelines. FLR up a little bit here. Look at LUV go. Next week calls, guys, in LUV. Next week, 51s on fire. Gilead, this week, 71s. I got in at 20. They're up to 24. Another day trade, another winner. This is what 8K does for you. Futures up 30. VIX still holding in a little bit here. Option Hacker, no signals today. We've gotten day trades fire. 4 signals from day trade scanner, guys. 4 winners. 4 trades from the day trade scanner. 4 winners today. VXRT, Pfizer, CVS, and Gilead. All winners. CVS, 54.56. Final target in CVS is 57 for me. All depends where you got in. If you guys are making money in CVS, I want to hear it. You're going to be featured on my Instagram feed. HUN higher, Coca-Cola higher, LUV up $1. Damn, look at the market go. I actually have some structured note in Mosaic, and I think I have a structured note in Freeport. $600 in CVS, great trading. You're going to be on my Instagram feed. Yeah, I wouldn't chase. If you guys are making money on CVS, put it in here. I want to put this on my Instagram feed. CVS, final target's 58 for me, guys. Ready, screenshot. There we go. Great trading, guys. Futures up 32. I'm not getting overly bullish this market, guys. I think the market will sell off, but we're getting a nice rally today. So if you're down some money yesterday, and then you're getting money back today, maybe it's time to loosen up a little bit here. Walgreens calls 7-9. CVS about to hit profit target, guys. Oh, body. Beach body. ARC 10s. Ugh, 1,700 trade here. More money being made in CVS. That's what I love to see, guys. Final target's 58. 58 filled, guys. CVS. Target number 2 hit. And trade is over. Thank you for playing AXK. Thank you, Day Trade Scanner, for making me money. Trade is now over. Gilead target 1 hit. What a fun day today is. Gilead target 1 hit, guys. Gilead target 1 hit. CVS over. And you can see I do take these with real money, guys. So, SO and Otis were great signals, really. You can see CVS in at 38, out at 48 and 57. Oh, here's one of our favorites, guys. We're calling out a signal. Tech Resources. August 21.5 at 65 cents, guys. Official signal, guys. You might have to pay 66. Tech Resources. This is an official signal, guys. We're going to call it a 66. 1450 Club, official signal. Buy, TECK, AUG 20th, 2021, 21.5 calls for 66. Targets, 90 and 125. We've seen this one hit multiple times, made money multiple times. We're in this trade here, guys. I screenshotted it so you can see you could have got in at 66 cents, okay? This is a real dollar account. This is a live account. There's 106 offered at 66. When I remove this, I don't know where they're going to be. 72 right now. Boom, guys. Tech Resources, on fire. Tech Resources, guys. I love the signal here in Tech Resources. The 21.5s in Tech. Official signal here. So maybe we took a little lick in Walgreens Boot Alliance. Tech Resources. 66 cents will be your official signal. So let's go in our portfolio, kind of update things here. We took off Walgreens for a loser. Believe it or not, some trades are going to be losers. In at 64. Great trading. They're popping here. We're going to call it at 66. So Walgreens, we are officially out of that trade. Taking our loser. Got out at 7 cents. That trade sucked. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. That trade was terrible. Okay, but we have a new signal here. We'll call it a tie. It technically is a winner. Tech Resources. August 20th. 21.5s. The entry is 66. Probably worth 72. Targets are 90 and 125. So this is a signal here in Tech Resources, guys. This is a signal in Tech Resources. Tech Resources, guys. 21.5s. TECK, 21.5s. And let me go in here. Positions. I updated all the open positions from yesterday. Let me make sure this is it. Okay, so we had Overstock actually down today. Yeti up 2. I gave out Yeti SEP 65s. Let's see how those are doing. SEP 95s. Those are up to 5. Ooh, Yeti SEP 95s hitting target 1 here, guys. Ooh, super options. Super options signal profit target hit, guys. Let me send out this. Super options. Yeti. Hit target number 1 at $5. So super options profit target hit, guys, in Yeti from yesterday. Short squeeze target hit. Ooh, a lot of signals working from yesterday. We won't call that one out though. So these are all the signals from yesterday. We'll put this in the portfolio. I'll try to start updating this a little bit better. CVS, great trading. Great trading. Out at 60. So there we go. Boom. Can't stop. Won't stop. Walgreens calls up to 8 now. Maybe I sold those a little too soon. Gilead on fire. Ooh, they're not really moving the 71s. So CVS out of that trade. Pfizer working out well. HUN calls higher. Futures up 36.5. Canoe higher. Buy the dips and sell the rips. Fang weak. Amazon down 20. Futures up 37. Wow. Tech calls are up to 69, maybe 70. Out of Walgreens at 7. Technically, I made $500 overnight. Those are Walgreens calls are up to what, 8, 10. Futures up 40. Roar. Gilead calls. I'm going to offer Gilead at 28. More Pfizer 42s being bought, guys. More Pfizer 42s being bought. We gave you those Pfizer 42s. They're at 30 again. We gave you them at 26. Pfizer 41.5s. UAA calls being bought. No, thank you. Trying to get out of Gilead at 28. I have a one lot. I'm going to sell BKD. Screw it. I literally say that and the stock goes down. Future VIX down. ACB lower. I would not be looking to get too long this market, guys. I tried to sell Gilead at 28. I didn't get filled. They're down to 26. I think the real story is not the new coronavirus. I think the new story is inflation. Walgreens Boot Alliance, I'm out. They're up to 9 now, 8.10. I got out at what I get out at 7. Express higher, Jets higher. Gilead, I was trying to get out at 28. Tech, AUG, 21.5. I do like these guys. You can get them back 66 again, guys. You can get Tech at 66. Based on the ATR, Tech can get up to 20.57. So that's the low of the day plus the ATR. Let's look at it, a daily chart. Ooh, look at that. Wow. So I do like Tech here. And the market can go down and Tech can go higher. Freeport lower. Maybe the short-term bottom's in it for these resource names. I'm still in a Coca-Cola call spread. CVS trade is over. Both targets hit. Pfizer trade is over. All the day trades working out well today, guys. VIX down 2. No 5-minute bar longs. Vodafone's still on. Those are September 17s. They're up to 28, so technically that one's a winner. Technically. Still think the market has some weakness. Down Friday, down Monday. We usually, on average, go down 7%. So I think rallies are going to be sold, but it can be a stock specific. We can see weakness in FANG and a rally in the resource names. We can see weakness in FANG and rally in the airline names, right? So it's just kind of could be stock specific. SO from yesterday. Wow. Great trading. I'm going to bring up those signals from yesterday. So let's look at these from yesterday. Okay, so let's look at Option Hacker. Someone said SO from yesterday at 100% profit. Oh, crypto's got crushed. I love when I hear that. It makes me happy. Bitcoin, 29.5. Ha, ha, ha. It's going to 22. Option Hacker from yesterday. Saw a signal yesterday at the end of the day, an SO, the 63.5s. Those hit at 75 cents, guys. A lot of people said they made money in the 63.5s and SO. Those went up to 150 today. So 100% profit in SO towards the end of the day. And then Otis, OTUS. Otis 90s traded here, 55 cents. Otis 90s doubled in value. Otis 90s doubled in value. Wow. So some great signals from Option Hacker, guys. Otis worldwide. Ooh. Did that do anything? No. So Otis, guys, 90s. WPC, AUG, 85. Those seem way too cheap. Oh. So look at these from yesterday. They said Option Hacker, guys. SO and Otis. SO and Otis. And we only have one signal today. That's in Tech Resources. I like that signal. We gave you that signal at 66 cents. TECK. Those are up to 70 now, so that's technically a winner. Technically. Love up $1.20. Love signal from yesterday. Option Hacker working. What is this?
Check that.
Oh.
Clean status. I wouldn't sell infrequently. I had to do that. Need more coffee?
Sure. Otis 90s.
Yes, it said yes.
Have doubled in value overnight. That was a signal from Option Hacker. Option Hacker is 100% sold out. You can't even buy it if you wanted to. Sold out. It should be like Bucks tickets. They should be able to go on the black market. I can't get in. I'm going to take Gilead off at 26. Trying to sell Gilead at 26. Let's see if I got filled. No, I did not get filled. AMC up $1.50. Canoe. I like the Canoe OC 15 still. I think the market goes lower from here, but that's just AK. WBA out at 10. Better than 7. I got out at 7. High of the day was 10. They're 8.10 right now. I had 200 of those too. I was like, hey, $1,400. It's not going to expire worthless on Friday. Yeti up $1.70. We hit a profit target on that. We put in notes tab, guys. So in the notes tab, double B calls being bought for next week. I'm not taking these. These are double B, 10.5. So this is a scan idea. Buy double B next week. 10.5 calls for 48. Target 75 and a buck. Blackberry, guys, calls being bought. This is a meme name. High risk, high reward. You know, I'm not really looking to buy the market up that much today. It's fine if we take day trades, but I don't want to be getting, you know, longer dated positions too much. Tech only right because it's been sold off so much. So if you want to take this trade, you're on your own. On my own. You're on your own if you want to take this trade. Double B next week, 10.5, 48 cents. Double B, 10.5, 48 cents. Gilead out of Gilead at 26, guys. So I'm moving to the sidelines here at Gilead. Made 30% profit. Trade is over. Gap, I think it's a little too late in the day to play Gap, but this is interesting, guys. You could probably take this as an ATR trade. So Gap, GPS, the 29s for this week. 29s for this week, guys. If you want to take these for an ATR trade, I think they're okay, guys. Gap 29s. You can get it at about 30. I'm going to take a, let's take a 2-lot. I'm going to take a 2-lot at 40. I try to take a 2-lot at 40. Gap calls getting bought here. I'm going to cancel this order. GPS calls being bought here in Gap, guys. GPS calls being bought here in Gap. And Walgreens just keeps going higher. Ugh. And now it's going down. Pfizer is over both profit targets. Well, I would just take out Pfizer early. So scan idea. Buy GPS this week. 29 calls for 38. Targets 47 and 57. So here's a scan idea, guys. So on fire today, what we've seen today, we saw no 5-minute bars. Now Gap 30s being bought. Someone was saying last week they might go private equity. 29's being bought here. So day trade scanners is one of the 10 scanners I look at. VXRT, both profit targets hit. Pfizer, target 1 hit. Like I said, guys, you can buy this at optionhacker.com if you want. CVS, both targets hit. Gilead, target 1 hit, and then Gap I probably wouldn't have taken. So 37% profit, 37% profit, 25% profit, and 25% profit. If you took all the signals today, 125% profit. It's not bad, huh? And you can't like go through all the option chain to get this stuff for you. Option Hacker, we had TCK, we call that as a signal. 66 cents, 65 cents, that trade's a winner. And then we had Double B. And Double B, you can keep an eye on it, but Gap moving up here, 5,000 weekly calls trading here. I would not be taking Gap. And then we have there's a lot of scanners over here, which we don't even show you. 70's too high in tech. We have IGT. Those are from yesterday. I have to restart these. Let me pull the. Let me start these over. So Tech is today's signal, guys. Tech Resources. 20 wins and halves and aux. I would not be taking any day trades, guys. I think the day trades are over for the day. Too late in the day. If you decide to take them, you're on your own. We had a signal yesterday in Royal Caribbean. We had a signal yesterday in Royal Caribbean. Royal Caribbean SEP 70s were bought. On fire. Royal Caribbean SEP 70s up to 630 today. Tech calls 69.73. Technically a winner in that one. We did puke out WBA for a loser. Believe it or not, there's going to be losing trades, guys. From here, I'd rather be short than long the market. Yesterday, I'd rather be long than short. Intel, we can remove that one. Still in Coca-Cola call spreads. HUN I would have never taken. Express we can remove. Jets we can remove. Nope. Tech is a winner, but we don't take it off unless we have profit targets. So Tech is a winner, but we don't take it off unless we have profit targets. Or the market reverses. Market reverses, future sell off 20 handles, and we can still take Tech off for a winner. We would take it off early. So we'll keep an eye on the stock. But Tech, we like to the long side. In at 66, up to 73. I personally took 2 day trades today. I took 2 winners today. Canoe. Wow. Just sold Canoe calls for 50 cents. OCK 15s and Canoe, I just sold them, guys. So if you guys are trading a little Canoe, we had that one yesterday as a short squeeze. A great signal in that one. That's in our notes tab. So I'm going to start doing stuff in the notes tab. I have to send this to my team. We just took profit targets in Canoe. $35 to $50, 50% profit. Not bad at all. Not bad at all, AK. I would add Canoe again at 35. So I'd buy back Canoe at 35. And Walgreens Boot Alliance, I ended up losing $200. I bought them at 12. I bought them at 7. I sold them at 9. Sorry, I bought them at 12. I added at 7 or 6, 7, 7 and 12, 9.5. I got it at 7. I lost $500, I think, in Walgreens. Walgreens on fire. There should be one in the Facebook group. Tech Resources, there she goes, just walking down the street. Tech Resources up to 74 here, guys. We got you in at 66. For futures. Amazon still down on the day. That is crazy. Let's bring up the portfolio. We do have bonus trading today, so if you pay for bonus trading, maybe you'll get a signal today. Can't make any guarantees. I want to might see some puts being bought today. Yeah, today's been a great day. Thank you, AK. And AK we trust. Tech technically is considered a winner. So now we have four straight winning trades, guys. 4 straight winning trades. These Vodafone's technically up a couple pennies. So 4 straight winners now. Now we have 5 winners and 3 losers this month. It's good. Turning that frown upside down. Upside down. Ooh, Canoe. What are they buying in Canoe? I bought some Jan puts. Nothing to do there. Tech. Just rallied 25 cents. FLR up 50 cents today. All they do is buy FLR calls. Odd quarters. Odd quarters. Mud's up on the day. America. America. Land of the free. Nordlock. I'd buy 50 for a nickel. Okay. Yeah. Love. Those calls at Option Hacker. I gave you those yesterday, guys. Those are up to 98 cents. 100% profit overnight. Love, guys. LUV, 100% profit overnight. Next week, 51s. 100% profit overnight in LUV. We had a covered call on VXRT. Ooh, that stock is getting crushed. Coca-Cola puts being bought small. Yeah, I did tell you to take off Love yesterday, but just because I tell you to do something doesn't mean it's the right thing to do. I told you to talk about Walgreens today at 7. They're up to 10. I didn't see this rally coming today. I did not see this rally coming today. I still think this might we go lower, but I've been wrong. Completely wrong. Yesterday sell-off was gone in one day. Don't believe it. Double B, 10.5 being bought for this week now. Double B on fire, guys. We gave you that as an idea. Double B next week, 10.5 up to 55. We gave you those at 48. Double B next week, 10.5 starting to move higher. TAL puts being bought. VIX down 222. $47s in Walgreens Buddha Lines doubled in value. I don't even want to see where CVS is. CVS 83 is up to 55 now. Or even breaker. Tech up to 2030. Great trading today, guys. Don't be fearful just because the market goes down. Just follow the signals. Follow the signals to profitability. HUS calls being bought the other day. AUG 36s. I should have bought some of those yesterday. Those are too cheap. Scared money don't make money. Pfizer, that trade is over. I'm still short ATO puts. mRNA up another 20. Let's look at a relative strength index. Oh, relative strength index is 86. Wow. So that's going from 120 to 330. Thought today would get ugly. Today's been a great day. Great trading. Pat yourself on the back. Profits in CVS. Profits in Gilead. Profits in Tech. Profits in Love. Profits in Canoe. Intel puts trading here. Amazon still down on the day. That's amazing. Futures up. No more day trades. Day trades keep hitting the tape, and I wouldn't take any of these. Apple. I still think that short-term top is in it for Apple. I think Apple needs to test to 136. CNET AUG 2's trading here. TNet Science. I cannot believe this rally. SIX AUG 40s. That's Six Flags. Great America. A lot of these stay-at-home stocks. I mean, Six Flags has gone from 57 down to 38. It's pretty big. It's 52. So down about 30% from the highs. Any day trades, you can make it an ATR trade if you wanted to. It's just understand that your long calls, your long gamma. Long gamma, that means you're short theta. EDU, SEP 7.5. Oh, they just buy EDU calls. SEP 7.5 is being bought. 1,500 volume is less than open interest. I hate you, Walgreens, Boot Alliance. Vodafone up a couple pennies. SEP 17s, got in at 25, they're worth 27. Tick. Tech's starting to get a bid. Target 1's 90, target 2 is 125, they're up to about 78. If you think the market's going to keep rallying, you can hold its longs more, more than I said. So like Love, I said get out early because I didn't think the market was going to rally. I was wrong. Love calls up to 105. Said get out of Walgreens. Walgreens goes lower. I look like a genius. Walgreens go up. Hey, Gabe, what's wrong with you? FLR up 67 cents. I think double B will go higher. I do like tech, guys. That's the pick of the day. The market can go lower and tech can go higher. Tech could be matched on CNBC. We do not know. Tech could go to a loser. It's a winner right now. IWM puts being bought. AUG 201s. DD AUG 13's being bought. I'm still in a call spread here. WBA, I doubt it's halted. I don't know why WBA would ever be halted. Got out of 7, calls went up to 10. They're like 8 cents right now. 2 minutes ago, guys, we do a bonus trading. Keep getting an email from Netflix puts being bought in the earnings. I'm on a structure, no Netflix. Netflix, weak. Amazon, weak. What's going to take the market higher? The airlines? I don't think so. Netflix got up to $5.60 a couple days ago, down $35. Mac has been a loser. Yeah, we did have 50% profit target in Yeti today. So Yeti, we hit 50% profit target on SEP 95s. That's from yesterday. SEP 95 Yetis, we hit 50% profit target. CCL, big call buyers, guys. These are next week 21s, guys. CCL next week 21s. If you want to take these, you could. 10,000 being bought at 57 cents. That hit a short squeeze scanner, guys. Just hit a short squeeze scanner. If you like it, you can take next week 21s at 50 cents in CCL. So this would be an idea, guys. If you like it. Buy CCL 730. 21 calls. Last time CCL lost us money, so I'm not going to take it. 55 targets, 80 and 110. So last time CCL lost money, so I'm not going to take CCL. If you want to take it, you're on your own. All right, guys. See you guys back in bonus trading in about 30 seconds.